Hello everyone. The customer delivery preferences on the website feature will give an customer an add-on advantage from which customer can set and preferences on the delivery according to their addresses. Now, after installing this module, user can see an delivery preferences option in the checkout form page of website. So for that, let's get into the website page. Now you can see I am in the website page of Mitchell admin. Now let's get into the shop. Now let's place an order. So from here I have added the product into the cart. Now let's process the checkout. User can see in delivery preferences option. Now let's edit it. Once you click on that edit option, user can see an delivery preferences instruction pop up. Now user can select an address type. So from here I'm going to choose an address type as business. So as it is business, there may be in specific days. So I'm going to select an specific days here. It may be in Monday to Friday. As I have choose a business as an address type, I have in specific hours. So from here I'm going to choose an evening. So once everything is done, let's click on the submit option to submit it. Now you can see and delivery preferences will be done, and you can see the delivery preferences right away here. And now let's click on the pay now option. All the preferences selected will be shown in the placed order as well as the invoice, and according to their preferences the order will be placed and delivered to the customer. Now let's get into the backend. So from here let's get into the website to see an orders that we have placed. Under e-commerce we can see the orders. Now let's remove the confirmed one. You can see and draft one. From here you can see and delivery preferences tab will be available in the order page. Now let's confirm it. And now let's create an invoice. Now in the invoice form page, all the preferences selected will be shown in the invoice. For that we need to get into an delivery preferences menu where we can see all the type that we have selected. In this way, we can make use of this module to create and delivery preferences on the website page. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. To see more about and website related modules, check our BrowseInfo playlist to see all newly updated website features that we have. Thanks for watching.